The Leprechaun and the Pot of Gold by Alex S. Once upon a time there was a leprechaun and a pot of gold with a big rainbow. Then they went in the woods and they saw. Then it was quiet, and they heard a creak, and it was a ghost, and the leprechaun tricked the ghost, but he missed, and they ran. Then the leprechaun jumped in the pot of gold to hide, and then the ghost grabbed the leprechaun, and the leprechaun didn't know he grabbed him.